Meaning of enigmatically.
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 Enigmatically. The term enigmatically refers to something that is mysterious, puzzling or difficult to understand. It implies a sense of ambiguity or obscurity, where the true nature or meaning of something is not immediately obvious. When used to describe a person, it suggests a certain air of intrigue or mystique about them, as if they hold some hidden knowledge or secret that is yet to be revealed. Overall, the word enigmatically connotes a sense of mystery or perplexity that can captivate and intrigue those who encounter it.